How to list property in booking.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can list your own property on booking.com, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have a place that you want to actually list on booking.com, such as it could be a hotel, it could be a resort or anything as such, if you have any sort of property that you want to add to booking.com, hopefully in order to attract more clients and customers, it's actually very simple. Open your browser, go to booking.com, and as always you can just log into your normal booking.com account, right? Once you do that, right beside that icon you'll be able to see this option known as list your property, which is generally going to be at the top right hand side. So you can just select list your property option here, and as you do that, right over here you should be able to see get started now. So you can just click on it. If you have already created your registration account, you can select continue with the registration, but I'm going to select get started now. Now once you've done this, there are a couple of things you have to understand. First of all, you have to simply create your partner account. So the one we used earlier is a customer account, but now you have to create a partner account. Select the email, click on the continue option. Otherwise, if you already have an account with this, click the sign in option, click on next. Also make sure to enter your password and click on login. Once you create or log into your partner account, you'll be able to see this type of interface. Right now, what do you do if you want to actually start listing your properties? Right over here you'll be able to see all this. So now you can just click the continue option here. Once you click the continue option, you'll be able to simply enter your email address to continue, and once you've done this, all you have to do is basically finish your registration first. So let me also go ahead and finish my registration by entering my email address, clicking the continue option here. And after you've done this, you should be able to go ahead and then basically list your own property on booking.com. This way you'll be able to see this option called create new listing, and once you click on create new listing, you can simply enter your details in order to create your own listing. So hope this video helped you as to how you can list your own property on booking.com. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.